In logical reasoning, questions may come from directions, blood relations, coding deductive logic, data sufficiency, etc. Rest of the topics are mentioned on the screen. You can see them. Then we have the English section. In the English section, the topics are like sentence correction, sentence improvement, sentence completion, vocabulary, reading comprehension, etc. Out of these, reading comprehension is very lengthy, so you need to be really fast in this. Students, we have a separate video on how to solve reading comprehension. You can have a look on it. Last section is the computer programming section. In the computer programming section, we have questions from OOPS, then we have questions from hash tables, heaps, data types, data structures, etc. So as I said, all the rounds are the eliminating rounds. So once you are through with the written test round, you are eligible for the GD round. GD round is of the duration of 30 minutes. In these 30 minutes, there will be a group of 15 to 20 students. So the students have to discuss a topic given to them. Out of these 30 minutes, 10 minutes are allocated for a common discussion. Then 1 minute is allocated per student to put up the individual points. And the last few minutes, remaining minutes, will be there for concluding remarks and the common discussion again. Once you are through with this GD round, but let me tell you something, that this round is really difficult because in most of the cases almost 50% of the students are eliminated in this round. So you need to be very confident. This round is basically done to check your communication skills. So once you are through with this round, you can go into the technical interview round. Technical interview round will take place for say a time span of 15 to 20 minutes. Here your technical knowledge in your core subjects as well as your final year project will be checked. Questions may belong to DBMS, OOPS, C, C++, etc. for the CS students, and they may even be asked to write the codes during the interview. The last and the final round is the HR round. Again, if you are through with the technical round, you move into the HR round. So if you have cleared the technical round, then in 90% of the cases, the selection is done. So this round, you can say it's just like a formality, but again, you need to be very confident. Here you have to show your confidence level, as well as this round is done to check your personality traits. You need to be very positive while answering on the questions. You need to show yourself or portray yourself as a good team player. So students, this is all from my side in this. Till we meet next, thank you.